demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'm a beast of the net. They can never be me, nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. Gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that you can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. Never stop if it's controlling you. I know that I can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
So here we are, guys, we're out at Powercruise 99.5 or 99.1, whatever it is. I don't know. 99.5?
Yeah,
so you get it right. Get it right. Hey, big number 100 later on in the year. So obviously it's a little bit quiet for a Friday, but obviously tomorrow it'll be massive. So get out and check it out. So we'll just do a little video today, and then we're going to head over to Tender and do a video over there. Big power skid down the back. Woohoo! Here we go. good, Dan?
Feeling.
Nah. Oh yeah, I'm FOMOing because I don't have my car Powercruise yet. Oh, FOMOing. Ah, it's a little hard being on this side of the fence. Ooh, skittles. Button, nothing like a power skid on the brake. Powercruise Friday. It's definitely a little on the quiet side, but I'm sure tomorrow will be pumping. So we just headed out for a few hours for a bit of a look before heading over to Kenda. Going next door for some more action. Dan's come up for the weekend.
Watch all the fast
Still fucking look, still sour face Dan they call him. Never smile Dan. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all that jazz, and don't forget to support the people who are supporting me. Thanks guys. Shout out to all the sponsors, thank you so much. Don't forget guys, support the people who are supporting me. These guys and their help allow me to get to more events and get you the footage you enjoy watching. So if you're looking for a service that they provide, hit them up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've made it this far, and share your favourite video around to your mates. Much appreciated guys. Also have merch available. Link in the description. $50 a shirt, $10 postage. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.